Thank you, COVID. My hair's finally long enough to put in the world's smallest ponytail. Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior, aka Julie here, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 53 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what is in the November the Box by Fashionsta, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. Alright, so the box by Fashionsta is a $24.99 a month beauty subscription box where you receive 5 to 7 full-size products with a guaranteed value of at least $100. I've been subscribing this since the beginning of the year, and I am this close to canceling. Let's see what this month is all about and whether or not I continue to get this subscription box. Alright, so let's see what we got. This is what the box looks like. It does come with a card, which is nice because then you get pricing and descriptions. Not all beauty boxes come with a card anymore. Alright, first item. I am super excited because I am familiar with this brand and I love this brand. What is this? From Skin&Co, Roma, we have a whipped cleansing cream. The whipped cleansing cream retails for $28 and is 100 milliliters. It says ideal for all types of skin. Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream is an essential step in the cleansing routine for removing makeup, dirt, and impurities. It is cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, and GMO-free. Alright, this brand and their products smell divine. Alright, on to the next item. What is this? This is from LA Splash, the Golden Gatsby Old Money. Alright, so it is a palette of some sort. What type of palette is this? Oh, the packaging's lovely. What is this? Oh, I presume it's going to be a highlighter. It's not picking up on camera very well, but that is quite a yellowy gold shade. These others will be lovely. Let's see what the card has to say. The palette by LA Splash retails for $28. Bringing all the glitters and shimmers of the 1920s, this lightweight 4-shade refined formula delivers buildable coverage for a metallic luster finish. For a stunning glow, sweep over the high points of your beautiful face. Made in the USA, cruelty-free. Alright, I love a good highlighter, as you can see. I'm excited to give this a try. Let's do a few swatches. That yellow, not for me. Comment down below if you have darker skin tone. Will that yellow still work? It seems like it wouldn't work no matter how deep your skin tone is, but I'm very fair and I do not know. It just is very mustard yellow in my opinion. Alright, on to the next item. Alright, so we have a mask here. This is from LAPCOS. It's a daily skin mask and charcoal for pore care. Let's see what the card has to say. The mask retails for $3 and it's infused with charcoal powder to purify and brighten skin. Draws out impurities and minimizes the appearance of pores. It is cruelty-free and paraben-free. Alright, next item. Is that Gerard Cosmetics? Yes! Alright, this is Kiss Assist Limp Limp Biscuit. This is the Kiss Assist Lip Plumper. Alright, not familiar with this product. I don't know if it's something you put on at bedtime or before applying lip color, or if it has a color itself. Oh, it looks to be clear, or a very, very subtle pink, but usually if it's pink in the bottle, it's pretty clear. Do a little swatch. Ooh, it feels very sticky on the back of my hand. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. It's right there. Let's see what the card has to say. The Gerard Cosmetics Kiss Assist Lip Plumper retails for $21. It says, pump up the volume with this innovative lip plumper that doubles as a clear lip gloss. The perfect gloss to keep your lips glistening and refreshed on a night out or when you need a little lip gloss pick me up. Alright, so I'm going to refer to this as a lip gloss. It does have a scent. It smells like a very, very barely there cinnamon with some light sweetness. What's that cereal? Maybe it's that cereal that has the cinnamon toast crunch. That's what it smells like. All right, on to the next item. This is rather large. What is this? This is BioRepair 8 Thickening Blow Dry Spray. All right, I've yet to get a product like this in any of the subscription boxes I get. Let's see what the card has to say. All right, so this is from a brand called ColorProof, Color Care Authority, and this is the ColorProof Hair BioRepair 8 Thickening Blow Dry Spray, which retails for $32. Wow, that's pricey. This is 150 milliliters or 5.1 fluid ounces, and it says that it grips to individual hair fibers to increase density and weightlessly volumize fine thinning hair. Delivers active plant stem cells to restore aging tissue, strengthen and protect against breakage, and leaves hair soft and visibly fuller. And it is color and heat protected up to 450 degrees. Wow. All right, well, I have thin hair. I'm aging. I don't really have thin spots, but this is new, different product, so I'm glad to have that in my life. All right, let's see if there's anything else in the box. One item. This here is from Georgette Klinger. It's a charcoal drying lotion. I don't know what that is, so let's go straight to the card. All right, so this retails for $19, and it says to apply this treatment at the first sign of trouble, and you'll wake up to a calm complexion that looks as good as new and ready to hit the town. Still confused? Supports cleaner, calmer skin, unblocks and purifies pores, draws out excess oil, relieves redness, puffiness, swelling, and irritation. Made in the USA, cruelty-free, paraben-free, dye-free, and fragrance-free. With all of those words, I presume this has something to do with maybe acne treatments, or if, when they just say troubled skin, I presume that's something related to acne. Luckily, I'm blessed and don't have acne, but this is interesting. Comment down below if you suffer from acne. Have you heard of this product or similar products? Do they work? You just dab it on and go to bed and hope it dries out the acne? Huh, interesting. Okay, let's recap. So from LA Splash, we got a 4-pan highlighter palette. From Gerard Cosmetics, we got a lip gloss / lip plumper. From Skin&Co, we got a whipped cleansing cream. From ColorProof, we got a blow dry protecting spray. from a brand I'm not familiar with called Georgette Klinger. We got a charcoal skin protectant, drying lotion. And from LAPCOS, or LAPCOS, we got a daily skin mask. I'm going to list on the screen everything that was in this box and put a grand total of the total box value. All right, this is actually one of the better boxes I have received of late. I'm pretty sure I will be canceling this box. I honestly have so many beauty subscriptions going. And then with the holidays, I purchased 7 or 8 advent calendars, and I have enough products to last me for the next 2 years. So this one, sadly, is not one of my favorites, and it's going to go away for a while. Who knows, in the future it may come back. But leave me a comment, let me know, what do you think of this box? Do you subscribe? Have you thought about subscribing? Do you enjoy it? Because it is very cruelty-free, vegan, GMO-free, all the frees. If you're really into natural skincare and beauty, this would be a good box. To me, I really don't care. That sounds bad. It needs to be cruelty-free, but it doesn't need to be GMO or vegan or anything. If it's a good product and I can afford it, I will use it, try it, and if I like it, I will continue to purchase it. Leave a comment. Do you disagree with me, or are you more careful of what you put on your skin? As long as I don't break out or get a rash, I'm okay. All right, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't yet subscribed, I would love for you to join my channel. And for those who have, thank you so much. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button and the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Thanks, everyone.